inwardly without an outward affirmation of the inward salvation.
These two should go together. Moreover, water baptism should be accompanied by Spirit baptism, even as the children of Israel were baptized in the sea and in the cloud. Baptism is not a form of ritual. It signifies our identification with Christ. Through baptism, we are immersed into Christ, taking Him as our own, that we may be united with Him as one in His death and resurrection. We were born in the sphere of Adam, the first man, but through baptism, we have been transferred into the sphere of Christ, the second man. When we are baptized into Christ, we are baptized into His death. His death has separated us from the world and the satanic power of darkness and has terminated our natural life, our old nature, our self, our flesh, and even our entire history. The significance of baptism. To believe is to believe into Christ, and to be baptized is to be baptized into Christ. By both the baptism, we have entered into Christ, having thus put on Christ and become identified with Christ. Baptism practiced in a proper, genuine, and living way puts the believers into the name of the Triune God, the divine name, into Christ, a living person, into the death of Christ, an effective death, and into the body of Christ, a living organism, that the believers may enter into an organic union not only with Christ, but also with His body. Furthermore, baptism brings the believers out of their old state into a new one, terminating their old life and germinating them with a new life of Christ, that they may live in the body of Christ, an organism by the elements of the Triune God.